Hello everyone, I hope you're having a fantastic day. It's Miss Allison here. We're going to take a look at your next short story assignment now. This one is a little bit more to this assignment, so here's what I want you to know. At some point on Thursday or Friday of this week, you will be in a synchronous session with your English teacher. It will be a short synchronous session in a smaller group than what we did on Tuesday, so make sure you know when that is. The expectation is when you are not in that synchronous session, you are working on The Lady or the Tiger, which is our next short story. However, it's going to take you a little bit longer. So, for instance, if I have my session on Thursday, I can start The Lady and the Tiger. I can go to my synchronous session. But Friday, I'm still going to have some work to finish up on The Lady or the Tiger because, again, it's a little bit of a longer assignment this time, okay? Same thing goes if my meeting is on Friday. I start the bulk of my work on Thursday, and then I'll have to finish up a little bit on Friday. This will be due at the end of the day on Friday, okay? All right, guys, so let's take a look at your directions to make sure you know what you need to do. Our learning target is I can identify and analyze setting and character by doing a close reading of The Lady or the Tiger by Frank Stockton. Just like we've done before, we have 3 phases here, which again is going to span over 2 days. Phase 1 is explore. Phase 2 is analyze, and phase 3 is the application phase. So let's take a look at each phase and what you need to do. So for phase 1, there is a mini lesson here from Mr. Wolf, and as you are going through that, you're going to pause the video and take some notes on what he is talking about. So I had to do this too, guys, I helped you a little bit. You either are doing the definition or the word, and again, pausing the video is really going to help you go back and see what you need to do. You can see his slides and listen to what he is saying to you. So that's going to be phase 1. We're getting some vocab taken care of. Phase 2, and don't forget to stop and take a break, by the way, but don't forget to come back. Phase 2 is analyze. Here's where we're going to get into our story. So this one is a bit of a hefty story. It's a little bit longer than the other ones that we've read this week. So we're going to apply what you learned by either listening or reading The Lady or the Tiger. You can choose how you want to do that. If you do, open up the document, it'll ask you to make a copy, which you'll have to do, okay, so no worries. So if you listen, as you read, or listen, you're going to highlight in green the setting. So anything that tells you where this is taking place and when this is taking place, you're going to highlight that in green. All right, and then down here, you are going to do some practice with direct and indirect characterization. Mr. Wolf taught you about that a little bit before. There's also a video here to help you remember what that means if you're confused. You're going to read the quote and then guess, is this direct or indirect, and talk about why you made that guess, okay? So that's a really big chunk here. Again, this maybe will be split up into a little bit longer. Just remember it is due at the end of the day on Friday. Let's take a break. Don't forget to come back. And then finally, application phase. So you have some different things from above that are going to help you answer some questions down here. Please answer these in complete sentences. You may need to go back to the story to be able to answer these. So these should be pretty interesting questions. I like the last one especially. Oh my gosh! You are done. So if you are done, that's fantastic. Let us know how we can help you, and I hope you guys enjoyed the story.